Hey guys, for this month's segment, we are here at the Providence Community Center to promote our event that is happening this Saturday, October 14th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. here at the Providence Community Center near the metro station, Vienna Metro Station. And we have our two little ones. This is my son and this is Courtney's little one. And this month's program will be about kids preparedness, family preparedness, and we kind of want to give you a little bit of a background of what the program, how the program came to be, and just the thoughts that we had in the beginning and how we made it into a full day program.
Yeah, so we're going to be bringing a family preparedness event to the community this Saturday. We're really going to be focusing on how to build emergency preparedness kits based on the ages of your children. So we know that this can be tricky, and as your children grow, their needs change. So we want to make sure that, we're really... See, this is real life. This is, kids are very funny. So we really want to make sure that we're tailoring
our message of emergency preparedness to fit your needs, whether you have an infant or you have a little toddler that has his own needs. We're breaking up our message to infant, toddlers, pre-K, school age, and then also teens. And some of the partners that we are that are joining us in this effort are who are our partners. Come here. All right.
So we're going to be out here, outside. We're going to be having the police department, the fire department, and the police department is actually going to bring their safety seatbelt demonstration. So they're going to show what the impact of a child in a car seat looks like for everyone. And then they're also going to have information on how to get your car seat checked in the community. So where those checkpoints are. We're also going to have the sheriff's department here doing child IDs for the children. We just got my son one last week, so it's a great thing for you to put in your wallet in case your child is ever lost or stolen. It's a great thing for you to take out. If you already have one and it's a couple years old, this is a great opportunity for you to get it updated and put it in your wallets. And they will print multiple cards for you, which is actually great, so that your spouse, grandparents, whoever is having your child on a regular basis, they can just stick that in their wallet. We're also going to have the Red Cross here doing a CPR demonstration. We'll have 3 different times. They'll be doing that at 11, 12, and 1. Fairfax County Public Schools will be here doing a presentation at 12 p.m., at 11 p.m. and 1 p.m. And the Office for Children will be doing a presentation at 12 p.m. on daycare preparedness. So we're going to bring a lot of different elements, really focused on kids, to you guys. Thanks to our Fairfax New Moms group, this is something that we're able to, bring to them because, they were asking a lot of questions. We originally thought that we maybe would host this at a library and do like a little seminar.
Like a little workshop.
Yeah.
And then it turned into this huge free event.
Yeah. So this event's completely free. We're going to have emergency preparedness starter kits to give away. We'll have other free giveaways. There's free parking at the Vienna Metro. We're going to have a shuttle that's going to run every 15 minutes starting at 10 a.m. So, get out here. We'll be here for about 4 hours from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It's a great opportunity to bring the whole family. My gym will also be here from Chantilly. Your kids can get a little bit of that energy out, and it'll be a great time.
And then the other piece that we're coordinating with WMATA on is having people park at the Vienna Metro Station garage. So you park at the garage and the Providence Community Center will pick you up every 15 minutes. starting, and mommy had to get ready before the segment. Starting at 10 in the morning, there will be shuttles that will pick you up, and then you're free to you're able to park completely free at the garage.
Then also, you know, just talking a little bit about the different needs of our children. So, you know, my son's pretty small, so really tailoring that infant kit to a child who, you know, needs formula and isn't able to have food like mom and dad are yet, where Grelia's son is a little bit older and can eat more solid food. So, you know, making sure that we explain to families how to grow their kit and make it their own as their child does grow. So it's going to be a great event, and we hope that you guys can join us. And if you guys have any questions, you know, feel free to reach out to us, post any questions, and we'll try to answer those. And we hope to see you on Saturday. This is going to be a really great event. We're really looking forward to hosting this. We hope that we get a lot of great feedback, and you know, hopefully we can host this, you know, in our community again. And you know, we're here to serve you guys, and we're really happy to be doing this.
So if you have any questions about the event, or if you have any ideas for future events, feel free to leave us a comment. Again, this program came from ideas from a mom's group that, you know, they said, what do I do in terms of a CPR?
Yeah, someone was asking, hey, how do we get updated CPR training? So the Red Cross is actually coming to teach us a little bit of a refresher on infant CPR, and then also community CPR, where we we'll have someone here teaching us how to do compression-only CPR, which is the new style of what everyone is going for nowadays. So it'll be great to have that refresher.
Yeah, and then the other idea was what kind of questions you should be asking your daycare providers.
Yes. Yeah. So daycare providers, it's really important for you to, you know, ask your daycare providers, you know, different questions on what their emergency plans are, you know, where they're going to take the children and that kind of stuff. So the Office for Children is going to be here talking about what in-home daycare providers are required to put together in terms of emergency plans, and then also daycare centers through the state, you know, what are their requirements. And then Fairfax County Public Schools is going to be able to be here and offer us some insight on, you know, what their emergency response and emergency preparedness plans are in the school. You know, what happens, where will they bring the students, and that kind of stuff. So it'll be a great opportunity for parents to listen in, and then also ask questions about, you know, their schools and their concerns. So
yeah, that's all for us. We created the hashtag PAW, PAW 2017. So please follow that hashtag for more information and upcoming postings on Facebook and also on Twitter. So see you on Saturday.
see you on Saturday.
Say bye.
Bye.